Hello everybody, Sir Beaton here and welcome back to another past paper practice video. In this video we'll be looking at a matrix question, so let's head straight into it. So the question says, a transformation T is defined by the matrix, and we have the transformation T being equal to 2, -1, 2, 0. The point A, -2, 3, is mapped onto the point A prime, AB, under T, which is the transformation. And they want us to find the value of A and of B. Basically, we want to find the coordinates of the point after it undergoes this transformation here. So, to do this, you multiply the transformation by this here. We turn this into a column vector and we multiply the 2. So this will be T multiplied by A, which will simply be the transformation, which is 2, -1, 2, 0. Multiplied by A, and we turn this into a column vector, which is -2, 3. So it's row by column, so we have one column here, so it's simply row by column. So we will end up with a 2 by 1 matrix. So let's keep that at the back of our mind. So it's row by column, so this will be 2 times -2 plus -1 multiplied by 3, and then we'll have the other row, which is 2 times -2 plus 0 multiplied by 3. And when we work this out, we will end up with 2 times -2 would be -4, plus -1 times 3 would be a -3. And 2 times -2 would be a -4 again, plus 0 times 3 would be 0. Hence, we have -4 plus -2, so this will cancel out and be a minus. So -4 minus 3, that would give us a -7, and -4 plus 0 would be a -4. Hence, we can say A prime is equal to -7, -4. And this will be AB. So hence, we can say, therefore, A is equal to -7 and B is equal to -4. And the next question says, we have the same transformation. They want us to determine T inverse. So to find the inverse of T, we know it's simply, so T inverse would simply be 1 over the determinant multiplied by the adjoint of T. So we find the adjoint and the determinant one side. So let's find the determinant first of all. So the determinant will be this multiplied by this. So it's 2 multiplied by 0. Subtract, and we multiply these two. -1 multiplied by 2. Hence, this will give us 2 times 0 is 0. Subtract -1 times 2 would simply be a -2. So you have 0 minus -2, so we know this will cancel out and be a plus. So 0 plus 2 would be 2. So the determinant is 2, and the adjoint, so we switch these two. So this will be 0, 2, and then we flip the signs of these two. So this will be a +1 and a -2. Hence, we can say the inverse of T would be 1 over the determinant, which is 2, multiplied by the adjoint, which is 0, 1, -2, 2. Hence, this will be half times 0 would be 0, half times 1 would be 1 over 2, half times -2 would be -2 over 2, and half times 2 would be 2 over 2. And this can further be simplified to 0, 1 over 2, we can leave that as 1 over 2. -2 divided by 2, that would be a -1, and 2 divided by 2 would be 1. So we can say the inverse of T is equal to 0, half, -1, +1. And that is the answer for this question. And with that, this has brought me to the end of this video. And I want you to continue practicing these kind of questions. Remember, practice makes perfect. And the only way you will master this mathematics is to keep practicing. So keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video in which I'll be looking at some more past paper questions. Until then, take care.